Welcome again to our weekly Neovim Plugin video series. So this is a video series in which we are covering one Neovim plugin per week. This week we are covering a UI plugin for messages, the command line, and the pop-up menu. It's called noice.nvim. Sometimes viewing messages or notifications sent by Neovim isn't very straightforward, and it's not very visible. When you have these messages down at the bottom, and then you have notifications that appears only for like a second or two. So it would be nice if we could surface those messages and notifications in a user-friendly way. So in this video, we're going to go through how to install Noice with the Lazy plugin manager, configure it with some sensible defaults, and some usage commands as well. So let's dive in. Alright, so here we are again in my init.lua file, and we're going to go ahead and install Noice. We're using the Lazy plugin manager to install Noice. If you haven't seen my Lazy video yet, I recommend you go watch that. And we're keeping all of our plugin directives or our plugin declarations in a file called plugins lazy. So let's go ahead and use Telescope to navigate to that file, plugins lazy, there it is, and Shift G to go all the way down. I've already added a little bit of code here to kind of help us get started, but we're going to uncomment that line, or these lines here, using GCC, or the comment Neovim plugin. And there we have it. That's all you need to install Noice using Lazy. Once you have that here, we can go ahead and reload Neovim. And you'll see if we run our Lazy command that Noice is installed. Cool. So as far as configurations, we're just going to use the default configurations for Noice. If you go into the GitHub repository right here and scroll down to where there is the configuration section, you can look at all of the configuration values that Noice sets by default. So we're going to keep those the same. And because we're keeping them the same, we don't have to call the setup function ourselves. So if we go into the plugin configs function, go all the way down, I'm not doing anything with Noice at the moment because right now we're just allowing Noice to set the default configuration values, which is fine by me. Great, so now let's look at what are some neat features that come in with Noice. Back into my init.lua file. So right away, when you hit colon to enter the command line mode, you'll notice that your command line is now replaced with this pop-up that comes into the center of the screen, which is really nice. So here you can search for any command that you like. So in this case, Telescope, that'll run Telescope. And you can also preview notifications by typing bang echo hi. And what that would do is show a notification up here at the top. All notifications and messages will now appear at the top right in this pop-up window and will disappear after some time, just like you saw there. So that's pretty cool. What else? So aside from the command line and these notification windows that we've been seeing, Noice also shows what is called virtual text. So virtual text happens when you search for something. Like for example, if we search for require, you'll see that this virtual text or kind of like inlay hints appear off to the right of your sentence or your expression here, which is the result of your search. So I search for require and it appears 1 out of 5 times. So that's pretty cool. I think just overall Noice adds a better UI experience, UX experience within Neovim. I've really been enjoying Noice, and I think you all should give it a shot too. And that'll do it for this week's video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video series. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. We'll be doing this every single week, covering one Neovim plugin every single week. Thank you very much.